Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and this video is gonna be a video about the CapCut tutorial, and I would like to show you the way how to import videos into CapCut. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut application, and to import the video you just need to create the new project, because we import the video to bring them into the project and to continue to edit them until they are all finished and fulfilling our expectation. So here you already fetched into your video library on your phone, and then you just need to find which video that you want to add or that you want to import into your project. But then if we want to import another video that is outside of your photo library, you just need to visit your stock videos that provide by the CapCut, and you will got the videos on this, because a lot of videos that provide by the CapCut, you just need to type what videos that you want to have. Let's say you want to have a cat video, so you just need to just type cat in the search button, go click search, and in the type section choose the video, and you will got a video collection that provide by the CapCut. So you just need to choose one of them, go click add, and you already imported those video into your project. So that is the way how to import video on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.